Hello friends, welcome to the IT Buddies channel. This is the part 2 of our meme generator project. So if you doesn't watch that part 1, then you can check my description. I added the part 1 video link along with that code. So in the part 1, we get all of these memes inside our Redux store. So now the time is come to get all of these memes inside our client side. So now we have to go inside our text editor first. Now go inside this app.js component and we have to import that connect because we want to connect our React and Redux. So import connect from React-Redux. Now remember, as a first parameter we have to pass the function that is map state to props, and that function that returns the whole state, so that is our memes, and we have to wrap up inside our connect. And as a first parameter map state to props, and second is null. So now we have to map that array to print our all of these memes. So after this h2 tag we have to write here this dot props dot memes dot mem. Inside that we have to pass our meme with that index id. So meme, here we have to pass the index of that meme. Index is basically the key. You can see here all of these memes have different id. Now after that we have to return. I use the h4 tag. Key is equal to index, and here I want to print the name of that meme. So meme dot name. Now save this and open your browser, refresh the page, and here you can see all of these memes is listing inside our client side after we generate our map state to props and connect terminology. Now remember, inside this map function we pass this meme and index. So by default the meme is our state and index is our action. So at the starting of our project our meme is null and we have to pass that index, that is for uniquely identify our memes this, and here we have to pass that index to our reducers. So if our action type is receive memes, then we have to return that. So after that it will go inside these actions, and if our type is receive memes, then it will return our memes, that is our JSON format file. So our memes name is successfully showing by this. Now I want to don't allow to show all of these memes name. I only want to allow only 10 memes, and if our user is click on that button that is show more, after that our next 10 memes is showing. So for that go inside this component and I create a constructor. By default we have to write here super method, and this dot state, and I want to pass our meme limit, that is 10. The limit is up to you, and I want to use that slice method. So for that we have to divide our array inside two parts. So dot slice, inside our first part we have to pass our starting index, that is 0, and our ending index is our meme limit. So this dot state dot meme limit. Now save this and here you can see only 10 memes is showing. Now I want to add a button that is load 10 more memes. So if our user press on that button, then our meme size is regenerated and adding plus 10 memes inside our list. So for that, I create another div for that button. So here our class name is meme button and our button name is load 10 more memes, and I want to add that JavaScript by default method on click. So if our user click on that button, then our meme limit is increased. So this dot set state, we use this set state method to change this meme limit. So inside this set state, we have to pass our meme limit and we have to change that. So this dot state dot meme limit plus 10. Now save this. Now I want to add another folder for styles. So inside this source, styles folder is created and our CSS file name is index. Now I want to write some CSS stuff. First is for our whole body. So text align center to get our all memes name inside our center of the page. Padding 5%. Background color is black. The styles is up to you. Then color of our meme name is white. Font family Arial. And for our button, I write here meme button and cursor is pointer for that button. Font style is italic. Padding 10 pixels. Now save this file. Now we have to tell our app.js. We also include this index.css. So import styles and index.css. Now save this. Open your browser. Refresh this page. And you can see here our styling is added successfully. So whenever I click on this load 10 more memes, you can see here our memes is adding by that button. Now we want to print also the meme URL and meme image. So for that I create a new component that is meme item .js. First we have to import our React component from React. After that I use this class based component. Our class name is meme item that extends our component. Render. Inside this return, let's create a div tag, and here I want to print image of that particular meme. So image source is equal to this dot props dot meme dot url, and I also want to print that alt method. So this dot props meme dot name. So if our image is not showing, then the name of that meme is showing. Now close this meme tag and I create a p tag. Inside that I write our name. Now we have to export this meme item file. So export default. Now save this file. Go inside this app.js and first we have to import that. Then instead of this h4 tag, I use that meme item class. Here we have to pass that index and pass our meme. Now save this, open our browser. You can see here React must be in scope when using JSX because here we have to write capital R. Now you can see the nice meme image and that name of that meme image. Yes, this looks pretty much good. Now let's add some styles for that memes. So I write the class name. This is for our whole div class. Meme item. And for our image, class name is meme image. For our text, class name is meme txt. Now we have to go inside this index.css and now let's add some styles for that class. First is for our div, that is meme item. Text align left. This is not CSS project, so I want to don't go inside that detail of the CSS stuff. Display is in inline block. Adding 10 pics. Position is relative. With this all styles is up to you. I write here 150. Height is also 150. If you don't familiar with this padding and display inline block, then you can simply Google it. Margin 10 pics. Cursor is pointer. Now for our image, the class name is meme img with 150. Height also 150. Border radius 8 pics. Border 3 pics solid white. Position is absolute for this image. Object fit, that is cover. You can write here fill also, and I want to allow this filter that is for brightness. Let's make this 90%. And now for our meme text class, with 150, text align center, position is absolute, border radius 5 pixels, bottom is 0. Now save this, go inside our browser, and you can see here nice meme stuff is added. Yes, this looks pretty much good. Now I want to add an animation because I don't want to print the name inside this meme. So I add that animation. So for that I want to add an functionality if user is hover that meme. After that the name is showing. So for that I create another constructor inside our meme item.js, similar like app.js. By default this super class is called, and here this dot state, and inside this state by default hover is false. So now inside this div tag I write the effect that is on mouse enter. So if our mouse is enter on that image, or you can see div tag, after that I want to change that hover state. So this dot set state hovered, and this is true. And if our mouse is leave from that div tag, then we have to hover it false, and inside our text we have to change that. So for that I only want to allow this meme text whenever on mouse is click. So for class name, first we have to check our hover state. So this dot state, if it is true, then our meme text effect is added, otherwise no text. Same for our image class. So first this dot state dot hovered, if it is true, then I want to go inside this meme img and another class name that is darken image, and otherwise it will be go inside this meme img. So now save this. Now let's go inside this index.css and add this no text, darken image, and all of this stuff. So first inside this meme text, after this bottom I write here animation name, that is fade in. Animation duration is like 1 second. Font size 14. Then for our this no text, I write here display none. So no text, display none. And for our darken image, this class, I write here background color, that is gray. Filter, because I want to change that original brightness, so I write here filter brightness 10%. Animation name, that is darken. Animation duration is 1 second. Now we have to add our keyframes. So first is for our darken class, so keyframes from, I don't want to go inside that detail, so filter is background 90. We have to write here brightness because we have to change that, and we have to change from 90 to 10%. So filter brightness 10%. And now let's add same for our class, that is fade in. And here I want to change the opacity instead of this brightness, so opacity 0 to 100. Now save this and open your browser, and you can see here nice animation effect is added inside our meme generator project. So this looks pretty much good. Now let's take a quick pause here. If you want to continue with this project, then you can check my description. I will add the part 3 video link whenever I will upload the part 3 video of this meme generator project. So inside that video, I add an functionality like crafting a custom meme form. So you can add any text inside your meme and you can create your own meme customly. So stay tuned and thank you and bye bye.